Are you looking for a professional and responsive website design that will help your business stand out online? Look no further, because I can help you build a responsive WordPress website design that meets all your needs. Hi, my name is Adil Zahor, and I'm a web designer with years of experience building beautiful and functional websites for businesses just like yours. With my expertise in WordPress, I can create a custom website design that is both responsive and user-friendly. A responsive website design means that your website will look great on any device, whether it's a mobile phone, tablet, or desktop computer. I will work with you to create a website that reflects your brand and vision, and that is tailored to your specific business needs. With my attention to detail and commitment to quality, you can trust that your website will be designed to the highest standards. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level with a professional and responsive website design, contact me today and let's get started. Take the first step towards building a responsive and professional website for your business. Visit description. Adil Zahor, your go-to web designer for all your WordPress website design needs.